Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of CTET examination. We have started with mathematics paper 1 and paper 2 series. We'll be discussing whole questions and the papers based upon it, and everything concepts of the paper 1 paper 2 will be covered in this particular course. Today's lecture will be talking about the questions based upon the mensuration. We have already launched one particular part of this mensuration question based upon the area and perimeter, and this is the second part. So the highlighting feature of this particular course will be that even the students who are weak at mathematics can score maximum marks in the examination, so that you can get out of marks in your upcoming paper. So for the central teacher eligibility test, a complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 as well as for paper 2, and if you want to get enrolled to this particular course, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store or contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413, on which you can get subscribed or enrolled to the course. The highlighting feature of the course is you will be provided with one-on-one mentorship, and you can score maximum marks in the examination and can have guaranteed selection. Global Online application, as I have told you, is available on the Play Store, from where you can install the application. When you installed it, open the application, you'll find such type of interface. In this particular interface, there is an icon named as store icon. Click on it, you'll move to the page called as My Courses, and in My Courses there is a search tab where you have to type CTET in that particular course and get enrolled to the course. So without any further ado, let us begin with the lecture. Once let me check is the recording going on properly or not, and then yes, it is going on. Okay, so let us begin with the lecture. So the very first question that we have discussed, I think we have discussed the 5 questions yesterday. In today's lecture we'll be talking about the 6th question. Okay, so what is the question given here? The area of the rectangular sheet is given, which is 208 centimeter square, and its perimeter is given, that is 58 centimeter. What will be its length and the breadth? Okay, so option for this question are option number A 14, 14. Option number B is 16, 13. Option number C is 15, 14, and option number D is 13, 16. First thing that you have to know is about the area of a rectangular. Okay, we'll see formulas of the rectangle as well as square at the end of the lecture, but I'll tell you what are the formulas required for a given question right now. Okay, so the area of a rectangle, is length into breadth. This is the length, this is the breadth. Okay, if we start keeping boxes in this particular rectangle, how many boxes can we keep here? How many boxes can we add? If we start adding such boxes, for example, I have added over here almost 6 boxes. Let us consider I have added in such way, in a horizontal way, I have added 6 boxes. So how many boxes can I add in this whole rectangle? I can take this as total 6 boxes into the breadth, into the total breadth. It means I'll get the total number of boxes that I can add in this particular whole rectangle. Yes, so to find the area of rectangle, I am telling you it in the simple form that the area is nothing but length into breadth. The formula for the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, so in the given question, what is given? 208 is the area. 208 is the area. 208 centimeter square is the area given here. They have not given us length, not they have given us the breadth as well. Okay, second thing that they have mentioned is the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter, as I have told you, perimeter is nothing but the boundaries. Yes, just let me rub out. I am finding it a little messed up. Okay, let us consider this rectangle. This is the length, this is the breadth. Area is nothing but the length into breadth. The perimeter, what does perimeter talks about? Perimeter is nothing but the boundaries. If we start looking at the boundaries of the given rectangular A, B, C, D, we can see this is the length, this is the breadth. Okay, and in case of rectangle, please note it down, opposite sides are equal. So if this is the length, opposite side will be again of length. This is the breadth, this is also breadth. Okay, if we start looking at the boundaries, we can find it twice of L plus twice of breadth, 2 times L and 2 times b. So can I take the perimeter as twice of length plus breadth? Yes, 2l plus 2b, it means twice of l plus b. Can I write this? Okay. Given question, what is the area? 208 centimeters square, length into breadth is the given area. What is the given perimeter? Perimeter is 58, 2 into l plus b. For such type of questions, what you have to do is always follow the elimination method. That is, check the options. Option number A was 14 length, 14 breadth. Option number B was 16 length, 13 breadth. Option C was 15 length and 14 breadth. Option number D is again 13 length and 16 breadth. Okay, now look at this part. Look at this part. Length into breadth is going to give us 208. Length into breadth is going to give us 208. Simply multiply it. Simply multiply this. Multiply these two given dimensions. If we start multiplying this particular dimensions, if we start 16 into 13, we are going to get a 208. If we multiply the length and the breadth, only in this particular case, that is in option number B, we are going to get the product as 208. Hence, directly we can conclude that the answer for the given question is option number B. I hope you have understood these two formulas, which are really important, and based upon these two formulas, directly question can be asked in the examination. Moving on to the next question now. What is given? What distance will Sadiq travel if he takes 5 rounds of the rectangular park whose length and breadth are 60 meters and 40 meters respectively? What they have given us in the question. Let us see first. What is the distance the Sadiq is going to travel if he is taking how much rounds? 5 rounds. Of which shape? Rectangular shape park of given length 60 meter and the breadth is 40 meter. Let us consider this as a rectangular shape. I am not able to draw it properly, so try to understand this. Okay, this is the length 60 meter. This is the breadth of 40 meter. If this is 60 meter, this is also going to be 60 meter. Opposite sides are equal, as I have told you in case of rectangle. This is 40 meter, it means this is also going to remain 40 meter. What they have asked us, if the Sadiq is taking rounds of this, if starting moving on this rectangular track, if is taking rounds on this rectangular park of length 60 meter and 40 meter, then how much distance is going to cover? Try to understand. Here we have to look at the perimeter. Actually, he is traveling, for example, this is point number A. He is traveling from point A to B, from B to C, and from C to D, and again from D to A. So basically he is traveling on perimeter. He is traveling on the boundary, he is traveling on the perimeter. Now we know how to calculate the perimeter. Formula for the perimeter is what? Twice of L plus B. What is the given length in the question? Given length is 60 meters plus breadth is 40 meters. This is going to give me 200 meters. Am I right? Yes, 60 plus 40, 100, 100 into 2, 200 meter. 200 meter is the perimeter. So for one round, if he is moving from A to B, B to C, from C to D, and from D to A, he is actually traveling 200 meters. For one round, if he is traveling 200 meters, then 5 rounds, how much he will travel? 200 into 5. This will give me 1000 meters. I hope you have understood. So the correct answer for the given question is 1000 meters. So Sadiq is going to travel 1000 meters, or he will travel 1000 meters if he is taking 5 rounds of a rectangular path of given dimensions, length 60 meter and breadth 40 meter. Okay, so moving on to the next question now. The ratio between the breadth and the perimeter is given to us 1:5. What will the ratio between the length and the breadth of the given rectangle? To understand this particular question, just try to understand is, for example, this is a rectangle. Okay, this is the length, this is the breadth. Okay, opposite sides are equal. Ratio given is ratio between breadth and perimeter given is 1:5. 1:5. For example, perimeter, can I take perimeter as, can I take the breadth here as, the ratio between the breadth and the perimeter of rectangle is 1:5. So what is the, okay, so here I am taking perimeter as 5 minus 2 parts. Can I take this like this? Yes, look here. Can I take the total parts? Now here perimeter, can I take as 5x, perimeter as 5? Given a ratio, please try to understand, the given a ratio of breadth and the perimeter is 1:5. So can I assign the value of perimeter as 5? And can I assign the value for breadth as 1? Yes, breadth is equivalent to 1, perimeter is equivalent to 2. Right now don't look at this. Simply look at the given ratio. Breadth is to perimeter is given 1:5. So I am assigning the value for breadth as 1 and for the perimeter as 5. Got it? First thing. So we know the second thing over here. Now if this is the breadth, which I am taking as 1, which I have assigned value as 1, here also I am assigning the value for breadth as 1, right? So total perimeter, can I take this as 5 minus 2? Why I am taking 5 minus 2? Because I know the perimeter as 5. I know the breadth is 1. So the total breadth will be 2 meter or 2 centimeter. Consider this as 1 centimeter. So the total breadth will be 2 centimeter. And the perimeter we know is 5 centimeter. So perimeter is equals to 5 centimeter minus 2 centimeter. So this will give me 3 centimeter. Right? So if the 3 centimeter is, so the total perimeter minus if breadth I am doing, so I'll get length. Yes, look here, I'm basically assigning the value of the ratio here, B as 1 and P as 5. Suppose breadth is 1 centimeter and perimeter is 5 centimeter. Total perimeter minus total breadth, if I'll do, I'll get the length. Yes, I'll get the length. As we know that perimeter is 2L plus 2B. So I have the value of perimeter, I have the value of breadth, I'll get the value of length, that is 3 centimeter. That is the value of 2L is 3 centimeter. So I will divide this as 1.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. Got it? So the breadth of the rectangle will be 1.5 centimeter. Length will be 1.5 centimeter and the breadth will be 1 centimeter. So the ratio between the length and the breadth is 1.5:1. 1.5:1 is the ratio. Got it? Of length and the breadth. I hope you have got the question. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Yes, also I can write this as 3:2. I can write it as 3:2. How come? Because we are talking about the total length, right? Not about the just the a single part. Okay, so we're talking about the total length and the breadth, so it will be 3:2. Now this is the question number 9. Which of the following rectangles can have a maximum perimeter? First thing, we know the question, before answering the question, we know what is the perimeter. Just a second. For example, consider this as option number A, where we are drawing a rectangle. Okay, in each case, in each and every option, the area is fixed. Area is 60 centimeter square, 60 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 60 centimeter. In case of option number A, just the side given is, the side they have mentioned is, one side that they have mentioned is 1 centimeter. In case of the second option, again the area is fixed, which is 60, but the side is 2 centimeter. In case of option number C, The rectangle of a 60 area is again has a different side of 6 centimeter. Please try to understand it. I am not able to draw the accurate diagram of a same size and all. I am just giving you an idea that what question is actually talking about. So here again the area is 60 centimeter square and the side is 12 centimeter. What thing that you have to understand over here is which of the following is going to have maximum perimeter. Maximum perimeter. Maximum perimeter. So here you can clearly understand one thing, that yes, here we can clearly understand is that the side that they have mentioned here is different. Side here given for first triangle is 1 centimeter, for second rectangle is 2 centimeter, for third is 6 centimeter, and the fourth is 12 centimeter. Now you have to tell me this particular answer question because the area is fixed. I have told you what is the formula for the perimeter as well. Okay, so in which particular formula you are going to find the maximum perimeter, and let me know the answer in the comment section. Okay, so this is the homework for you for today's lecture, and you have to tell me the question number 9's answer in the comment box. Okay, so the areas are fixed, side is different. For the first triangle the side is 1 centimeter, for second triangle the side is 2 centimeter, and third triangle 6, and the fourth is 12 centimeter. Okay, so this was end of today's lecture. So before ending the lecture, one thing that I would like to just highlight is some of the formulas. Okay, let me just give you those formulas. Whenever we talk about a square shape, in case of square, all the sides are equal. All sides are equal. Second thing that you have to know regarding the square is that diagonals cut each other at 90 degree. At a 90 degree. The third thing that you have to note here is these are the both diagonals, these are bisecting each other at a 90 degree. The third thing that you have to remember here is the perimeter of the square. Look here, all the sides are equal. Perimeter is nothing but the boundary. For example, this is a centimeter, this is again a we are taking 4 times, it means perimeter will be 4a, right? What will be the area of the square? Area of square again length into breadth, it means basically it is side square because sides are same, side square. Okay, so this is all about square. Please take a screenshot of this. In case of square, all the sides are equal, diagonals cut each other at 90 degree, perimeter is equals to 4a, and area of the square is equal to side square. Based upon this formula, the questions can be directly asked in your examination. Next shape is rectangle shape. In case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Second thing is that whenever we talk about the diagonal of any rectangle, diagonal actually cuts rectangle or divides rectangle in 2 equal portion or 2 equal parts. The second point. Okay, the third point is the area. We'll talk about the perimeter first. We know this is the opposite sides are equal. So here the perimeter, as we have already discussed, is twice of length plus breadth, and the area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So please take a screenshot of this, that the opposite sides are equal in case of rectangle. Diagonals in rectangle cut each other at cuts basically the diagonal in a rectangle cuts the rectangle in 2 equal parts, and the perimeter of the rectangle is twice of length plus breadth, and the area is length into breadth. Got it? I hope you have understood the question. And in rectangle, second thing that you have to remember is the diagonals in the rectangle are of same length, and the angles that they are making at the corners are 90 degree. Okay, and the diagonals in case of rectangle, these are of equal length. Same length. Okay, and once you start compressing this rectangle, this is going to convert its shape into a square. it is going to convert its shape into a square, where again the diagonals are going to cut each other or bisect each other at 90 degree. I hope you have got the question answer. Okay, and this question number 9, you have to mention the answer in the comment section. So this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day everyone.